Trick 1. Rainbow text. Write text. Select all text. Hold your right thumb on the purple color. Hold your left thumb on the text cursor. Slide both fingers at the same time to the left. Your letters will change colors. Trick 2. The same image with more text after you tap to the next story. Make your Insta story. Press the save icon on the top of your screen, the first icon, to save it to your camera roll. Add more text on your story. Save to your camera roll again. Once you have prepared your stories, post them in order. Trick 3. Use any color you want. You can change the color of your text background or even Insta story background to any color you want. For example, let's say I want to change the font color of the text. Write something. Bottom of the screen are the colors. Hold your finger pressed on one color. The color palette will appear. Slide your finger on the palette to use any color. Tricks 4. Create a transparent background overlay. Take a photo. Select the transparent pen tool. Choose a color. Hold your finger pressed on the screen. Trick 5. Now that you know these two Insta story tricks with the background colors, you can have a fun with them. A cool thing to do is to use the eraser tool.